Hey, so carrying on with the theme of offshore service sector for oil, we're looking at a company that I'm very bullish on, and full disclosure, I am invested in this company. I'm not telling you to invest. You can do whatever you want. I just want to make a video because it's fun for me, and yeah, I want to share and also maybe hopefully get some feedback as well. So today we're looking at SAIPEM, which is a Italian giant of a service company in the oil sector. It's one of the biggest. As you can see, it has offices all around the world within 70 countries, and here it specifically says that it's present in almost every oil and gas market around the world. What that really tells me is that they have the connections all across the world to basically be able to sign deals and get contracts done that will allow them to print money, and hopefully this will be reflected in the stock price. As mentioned, it's one of the largest oil service stocks in the world, and some of the major shareholders are the Italian giants, which own around 30% of the company, which is a huge amount. And also Industrial SPA, which owns around 12%, which itself is owned 80% by the Italian government. So those are some major shareholders. The point stands that they're very well connected in the oil world, and so it's going to be easy contracts for them. I think they're going to be able to sign the contracts. Maybe they have the personal relationships, etc. They are one of the biggest, and also they have some huge shareholders. Saying that, recent times this company has been absolutely horrible to shareholders. This is a quick snapshot of the chart that just looks absolutely disgusting, right? And it even actually gets worse. It just does not stop. Maybe you're thinking this is a $4 and it went straight down to like under a dollar. Sorry, euro. Yeah, so the chart looks absolutely disgusting, to be honest. But to be honest, for me, it actually looks like dessert. I want to be buying at the lows. I want to be buying right at the bottom, because the earlier I get in, this stock I think is gonna be a multi-bagger for me. I think it's gonna have some exponential returns, and given the fact that the management has been bad, like we'll cover this quickly right now. So SAIPEM may seek to raise more than 1 billion euros in cash by selling new shares and new fundings. This is basically because they messed up their profit, revenues, etc. And to service their debt, they basically had to dilute. If we go check out, this is COFIN, and this is shares outstanding. And as you can see, around that time, they just printed a bunch of shares. Like, what is that? Over 1 billion shares, and diluted all shareholders, completely destroyed all shareholders to raise around 1 billion to basically service their debt maturities. So I get it, this is a very high risk stock, and I accept that I could lose all of my initial investment in this stock, but I feel like I'm okay with total loss for absolute exponential returns, which I'm expecting from this stock. So going forward, why I think I will see exponential returns in this stock. Well, firstly, I already covered the points of they're one of the biggest oil service fields. They have the connections, they have some major shareholders. But more importantly than anything is, you can check out the last video where I spoke about the oil services super cycle, and I feel like they are starting to really reap the benefits of this. You can see huge activity building up. And again, watch the last video. I talked about day rates increasing. I talked about rig utilization. I just talked about the energy security. All of that stuff is 10 hours ago. They basically were awarded an 800 million contract in West Africa. So that's one contract, right? And if you go again, look at this. Another Qatar gas worth 4.5 billion USD, another contract they got there. Ivory Coast, 1 billion overall. They're getting the contracts, and they're getting huge contracts. These are no small sums, right? 1 billion, 4.5 billion, 800 million. And this is starting to reflect in the share price. As you can see, from the bottom, it's already up like 40 or 50%. Yeah. Oh, actually already 100%. Whoa. Oh yeah, okay, 0.5, yeah, already up 100% from the bottom. So let's check out some other things. The revenue is increasing 21 compared to the second quarter. Everything is going up. revenue over 9 billion, right? Okay, they have huge debt, but they're getting the contracts and they're going to start really printing the money. Okay, this is the Ivory Coast, 1 billion. Crazy. We have some more here. Qatar Gas, yes. This one was just recent. Today, November 5th, they got awarded 800 million. Yeah, Middle East. So Middle East and Africa really is the place where they're going to be, where new contracts are going. Guys, I just wanted to do a quick video about SAIPEM. Like I said, I'm invested, and the outlook looks great for this company. It could go to zero. I have no idea. Maybe it does, or maybe I get lucky.